I've been 11.10. I've been 11.10, great buying. I don't want to bore you and tell you how good these cattle are. I've been 11.10. Bid straight in front with me. Bid 11.10. 11.10. Coming back 20, thank you. 11.20, 30, thank you. This is it. Today's the day. No more. 40, 50, 60, 70. 11.70, 11.70 straight in front. Wave your hand if we cannot see. 11.70 first. This is it. 11.70 second. Third and last at 11.70. Calf, your number, sir. Number 12, thank you, 11.70. Stan Moran is the purchaser, thank you. Thank you, Stan. Congratulations, cows now. Moderate frame, lot of flesh, easy to do. Have a look at that cracking calf on that young cow there. Under these conditions, bear that in mind, please. Use a second calf and running back with a big bull.